Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are diving into the Al-Haq, the truth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the truth, whose being is ever unchanged. Haqq is that whose essence is valid in itself and whose essence is the cause and necessary condition for all other existence. As Allah does not gain His existence from other than Himself, He is eternal, everything else is temporal. Since Haqq is existent by itself alone, not influenced by anything else, He is non-changing. His is true existence. Other thing which appears truly to exist draw the truth of their existence from Al-Haq. The intellect sees other existent matters as corresponding to that truth. We call these truths as well. Yet the truths of all temporal existence change in their relationship to each other, and finally when they disappear, the belief in their being true becomes invalid. There is nothing in creation whose existence is parallel to that of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the truly existent, who is forever before the before and after the after. This creation may be likened to the moon. At the beginning, a fine bow, as thin as a string, then a crescent, a full moon, then reversing and disappearing again. That is the order of the universe. Everything except Allah, the truly existent, begins, changes, disappears, and reappears. The manifestation of the attribute of Al-Haq, the truth, appears for the believer in faith and in words. The truth is that which needs no proof and whose denial is impossible. So the belief and words relating to the non-changing casual existence are called true faiths and true words, because they too, in a manner of speaking, are constant. Allah keeps them constant and alive and rewards the ones who speak them, listen to them, and believe in them. So who is Abdul Haq? Abdul Haq has been saved from all falsehood in action and in words. Such a person is aware of the truth at all times, everywhere, and thus of the unity and oneness of all. For such a one, the truth is constant and ever present. A believer who takes it as truth that on Judgment Day he will stand in front of his Lord and give an accounting of his acts may be poor in spite of his efforts. If he recites La ilaha illallah al-malikul haqqul mubin, there is no God but Allah, the King, the clear truth, 100 times each day, he will receive his sustenance from unexpected places. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with immeasurable bounties and bliss in your life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.